So I'm going to do an octopus. So I have my armature right here. The next step is to create the paper mache paste. You take some flour, and all you do is mix it with water. And I'm not going to tell you like how much flour and how much water, because I don't know. We're just going to like eyeball it. We're going to guess. And so I take the tool to mix it up. And you want the water to totally absorb into all the flour. Probably would have been a good idea to use a whisk for this. But I don't have a whisk, so I'm just gonna mix it. And wow, that looks to be about right. It's kind of runny, but thick enough to be pasty, right? Then I'm gonna take newspaper, and I'm going to rip it into strips. If you're doing this at home, you will need to find newspaper. If you don't have any at home, ask old people. They might have some newspaper. Go to a recycling bin. Scrounge up some newspaper. I need to make lots and lots of strips. Okay? And then all you do to paper mache is once your paste is like nice and consistent, you don't want it to be real lumpy. Because I didn't use a whisk, this is going to be pretty lumpy. But I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to start putting this on, and it's going to get real messy. Oh, I forgot. I didn't do this. You should put something underneath you, like some newspaper underneath you, plastic underneath you. I didn't do that. Probably I should take this off and cover the table with something. It's flour and water, so it will wash off. But I forgot, and just for the purpose of this demo, I need to do it fast. So I'm just going to start paper macheing. So I dip my strips of newspaper in the paste, and I get all the excess off. And then I just wrap it around my animal. I can use my fingers to smooth it out, and you just keep going. You do this over the whole thing. We're gonna let it'll stiffen up and get hard from today until the next time we meet, and then you can do a second coat on it when we come back. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep putting layer after layer of these, or strip after strip on here, and then on Thursday, I'll do a second layer.